Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make your own gratitude journal to remind us of all the things and people who contribute to our lives. You can print out our template online and colour it in, or you can make your own if you follow along with this video. Grab 2 pieces of A4 paper and fold them in half to create an 8-page booklet. If you have a spare notebook, you could also draw it into there. Start off by creating your cover page. Have some fun with colours and fonts. Gratitude is linked to overall happiness, and research shows that writing down what we're thankful for makes us feel positive and helps us become kinder and more empathetic. What does Whakawhetai mean to me? Let's start by writing the question at the top of the page. On this page, we're going to have a brainstorm and think about all the things that we are grateful for. To show our brainstorm, start off by drawing in a simple little illustration of yourself at the bottom of the page. Then above your head, add in a big thought cloud. In your thought cloud, write down all the things you thought about in your brainstorm. What are some things that make me harikoa or happy? We are going to write down a numbered list on this page, so let's start by putting the title at the top. And then write the numbers 1 to 5 down the side. I want you to think about all the things that make you happy. For me, it's going for a walk with my dog or hanging out with my friends. Our next question is, who are the 2 meki people in my life? For this page, I want you to think about all the really awesome people in your life that you are grateful for. So for this one, I'm going to start by drawing in 2 simple picture frames in the top half of the page. It's really easy to draw a frame. Just draw a square in a square and then add a little nail and string at the top to make it look like it's hanging on a wall. You could glue in a photo or draw in a picture of them in the frame. Then underneath, list all the sorts of things these people do that makes them awesome. What other things make me feel whakawhetai? This page is super simple, but we're just going to create a big bulleted list. So put a bunch of bullet points down the side and then just write down all the things that you feel grateful for. What are your favourite sights, sounds and smells? This page is all about being mindful and being in the moment. Think about the little things that make you happy. Divide the page into 3 sections. I've drawn in an eye for sights, a nose for smell and an ear for sounds. Then underneath each sense, write down your 3 favourites. For me, some of my favourites are the sound of rain on the roof and bread fresh out of the oven. What do we like doing in the weekend as a whānau? So what activities do you look forward to? It could be a bike ride or a board game night. Pick 3 to 4 activities and then you can write them down. Or if you're feeling creative, why don't you draw them out with you and your whānau having fun? Our last page is my week of Whakawhetai. So let's start it off by putting our title at the top. Then divide the page up into 7 rows and write each day of the week on each row. Then every night of the week, sit down and record one thing that you feel grateful for from that day. Think about some times when you can fill in your gratitude journal. It could be in the evening or the morning, but find a regular time each day. We don't come by an attitude of gratitude naturally, so we need to learn and practice. So that's what this activity is all about. Don't forget to let us know if you make your own,